If you could eat chocolate in any form, what would it be? 5, 4, 3,
White
2.
chocolate on a stick with frosting on it. What is your least favorite question that anyone could ask you right now?
Why is your hair filled with bits of potatoes? If you had to be mauled by a bear wearing a certain article of clothing, what would it be?
Me wearing the clothing, or
No, the bear wearing the clothing.
The bear would have to be dressed up like Mama Bear from Berenstain Bears, because that would make me really, really happy previously to her mauling me. What color do you wish the sky was right now? For reference, it is this color currently.
So I was about to say green, but then I thought about the whole green sky tornado thing, and I was like, well, maybe not, but I really like green, so I'm gonna say like slither, like this green, like not tornado green, unless this is tornado green. I've never been in a tornado, but like emeraldine green. What's your favorite Ravenclaw?
Is that even a question? Ravenclaw is my favorite Ravenclaw. How many eggs can you eat at one time?
The question, okay, well, I've never eaten my maximum capacity of eggs. Really? Never actually, there's a fire somewhere. I have never actually tested that out, but I'm assuming if I really, really wanted to, I could eat a whole dozen of eggs. It just wouldn't feel very good.
That is a lot of eggs.
But I could if I wanted to.
Okay.
Normally I have 2 though. Where do you think that fire is happening?
That fire is happening not at a library, although that was the first thing that popped into my head. That fire is happening in a library somewhere, and all the books are not gonna get burned because there's gonna be an amazing, amazing librarian who saves the whole building with like lots of buckets of water or those fire extinguishers. What is the most conclusive ending to a book you have ever read?
I can't remember all the books I've ever read, but I don't know. I've read a lot of books. The way that Harry Potter Macbeth would have ended, I can see that zooming in had we finished it.
How would it have ended?
Well, the way Macbeth ends, except with Harry Potter characters. Duh.
I know we never said hello, but goodbye. No, it starts us as you say goodbye, I say hello.
Well, she says goodbye and I say hello.
Do you?
Hello.